Would you like to achieve a global certification in positive psychology in just 7 days? Well, coaching career is one of the most lucrative and fulfilling careers of all times. The coaching industry is growing very rapidly. According to market research, the self-development or self-improvement market alone was worth around $9.9 billion in 2016 and is estimated to grow to $13.2 billion by 2022. So it's a great opportunity out there if you want to become a coach. Let's understand what is Positive Psychology Mastery course. So positive psychology is the science of happiness and well-being. Positive psychology is a scientific approach to studying human thoughts, behaviors, and feelings with a focus on our strengths rather than our weaknesses. This breakthrough science teaches us how to build good things in life instead of just repairing the bad things. Hi, I'm Dr. Shama. I'm a positive psychology expert. I've spent last 10 years researching in the field of psychology, positive psychology, spirituality, and personal development. I have got trained and mentored by some of the world's best trainers, and I've done tons of international certifications from elite universities around the world and also masters in psychology. I've spent $32,000 in my self-education. Let's find out if this course is the right course for you. This course is the right course for you if you want to learn how to manage your mind and you want to develop a positive and resilient mindset. This course is for you if you want to upgrade your health, career, and relationships in one go. This course is right for you if you're a coach or a trainer wanting to get better results in your practice. This course is for you if you are a working professional, if you're an HR professional, somebody dealing with people, or if you're an entrepreneur, a housewife, or a student, and even if you're someone looking to become a coach or a trainer with zero knowledge and experience, this course is right for you. This is a great level 1 course if you're looking to become a global positive psychology coach. Let's understand what are the benefits of doing this course. You can earn extra income by teaching the tools and techniques that you will learn here. You can help people with stress issues, anxiety issues, and depression issues. You will increase your personal well-being and happiness quotient by about 70% within 3 months of practicing the tools. You will be able to help your clients analyze their current thinking styles, patterns, and mindset, and you can help them understand why they feel stuck or unhappy. Your support and guidance can help people go on to live happier, richer, and more meaningful lives. You will obtain recognized global certification that will help you promote your career prospects and earning potential. Let's understand the special features of this course. This course is 100% online. It is flexible schedule, it is easy to navigate, and it comes with downloadable certificate. The certificate course has 18 chapters and totally 30 chapters with 3 bonus courses, and this certification based course has videos, PDFs, activities, assessments, everything that you need. You will have to get 50% marks to get a downloadable certificate. The tests are easy to pass and score. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through this certification course and your bonus courses. Once you enroll into the course, you will get an email. Please check your inbox, or if in case it's not in your inbox, please check your spam folder. In the email, you will find some important instructions here about the technical support number here and what to speak, whom to speak. And then there is a VIP WhatsApp group to support you on this journey to complete this course. And then here is your access to positive psychology certification course and 3 bonus online courses. So sometimes what happens is there is special offer. You instead of 3 bonus courses, you will also get 5 bonus courses because if you sign up in this particular window of 13 minutes, so depending on what your offer is, you will get 3 bonus courses or 5 bonus courses. Okay, here's your access to positive psychology certification
course and all your bonus courses. Here is a link to join your WhatsApp support group, join certification course, join a Facebook support group. Click on the join certification course and you will be taken to the course here, and then you just click here, and here you need to create a login. Here you need to put your name as in you want on your certificate, so be careful what you want, your full name, or you want to include doctor if you're a doctor. So just put the name that you want on the certificate, but the genuine name. Then you put your email ID, you create a password here, and then just put your phone number, okay, and then say create new account. You can access the course here. So you come here and then you can access your course here. Welcome Seema Jain, and your course is here. Okay, just click on that and you can see your Positive Psychology Mastery course and your bonus courses here. Click on the Positive Psychology Mastery course, and here you can see all your modules and how to cruise through these modules. Here you have your first module, Introduction to Positive Psychology, and then you have your video lecture here.
A joyful life is an individual creation that cannot be copied from a recipe. Beautifully quoted by Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Everyone wants to live a happy life, isn't it? It's up to each one of us to create the kind of life we desire. Positive psychology is a boon to mankind which came into existence attempting to answer the most important question: what makes life worth living? Positive psychology is a study of good life. It's a study of positive aspects of human experience such as happiness and well-being. In this course, we'll learn about important research that can change your own life for better.
Here is your video lecture, and if you come down, you will find the entire content here. You have your PDF file, 1 to 13 pages. So you can go through the entire PDF file here. And then for each module, there is an activity. You have to complete this activity, and then there is a small test like an assessment. It's pretty easy. Yeah, you can have a look here. You have instruction here. You will get up to 3 attempts to complete the test, so don't have to worry about it. 50% is your passing percentage, and once you get 50%, overall 50%, you will be able to download the certificate. Okay, these are your tests here. It's pretty easy. So here then again the same thing. You have the chapter 2 here, a video lecture, and then you have the corresponding text below, and then again the chapter 2 you will have a PDF file to learn more. So here some of our students enjoying the modules. Okay, then you have your PDF file again, practical aspects of that particular topic. Okay, here's your PDF file, so you can cruise through all the pages here. And then again for the module 2 you have an activity here, right? And then you have a small test. So like that you have around 18 modules. You can see here for all the modules there is a video lecture, and then there is a corresponding text below, and there is a PDF file to learn more about that particular topic, about the practical aspects of that particular topic. Here you go, and then you will have one activity for each module and then one small test. Okay, so once you complete all of this, you can see below you can actually download your certificate here. Yeah, so you need to complete the course to download the certificate, right? So same way here you can go to your other courses, like your bonus courses here. This is your bonus courses on stress-free life.
Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? A hearty welcome to each one of you on this wonderful journey towards a stress-free life. Let's start by understanding what stress really is.
Well, stress is defined as any challenge to the homeostasis or balance of the body. Challenges can range from simple changes in a routine to traumatizing world events like this pandemic, looming headlines, pollution, blood pressure changes, hunger, feelings of tiredness, sleep deprivation, or emotional stress. To the brain, anything that challenges the body's balance qualifies as stress, and it does not matter whether it is physical, psychological, emotional, real, or imagined. Let's understand the stress response. What happens when there is stress, and how do our body react to the stress? When we face threat or danger, we are forced to move because of release of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol into our bloodstream. This causes our senses to become hyper alert and aroused, our pupils to dilate, and our muscles to tense up in preparation for a fight or flight. The liver releases stored sugar into the bloodstream to provide our body with energy, while the lungs work faster, increasing our breathing rate and causing the breath to be shallower to save up on oxygen. The heart pumps harder and faster.
Okay, so this is your course. It has 4 modules here. So you go back, then you have your other courses here. You have Anxious Mind Mastery. Again, you have around 4 modules here. Okay, then you back to the courses. Then you have your Crisis to Opportunity course and your modules here. Okay, all right. So this is how you go through the courses. First, you try to complete your Positive Psychology Mastery certification course, get your certificate, and you can cruise through the other courses as well. If you have any doubt, you will be provided a support group where you can raise any question pertaining to your course and certification, and we'll be happy to help you and support you completely through this journey. You have made the right decision. I'm very happy to have you here. Please sign in and enjoy the course.